Hello, my name is Mr. Blakely. I'm the history teacher here at Hope High School Online. I'm going to tell you about research and references. While enrolled here at Hope High School Online, you'll inevitably have to do some research. Here's a few tips to keep in mind while researching. Keep track of all your sites that you use, whether it's writing them down or recording them via word processor. Next, write down the sites you visited, writing a small entry on the side so that you can tell what it was you were looking at. Only use reliable sources. I don't know how many of you know, but Wikipedia has the capabilities to be changed. Anyone can go in and change wording wherever, so I would consider this an unreliable source. You want more accurate sources. Find out who created the site, who said the statement, and find out how frequently the site is updated. If you like the information you found on a website, but are unsure if it's a reliable source, then find another reputable source to verify the first source. So basically, you're finding a source to verify the other source. Pay attention to the type of web page you are on. Anyone can register for a .com website. However, .orgs and edus are usually for institutes and organizations. This can typically be a good way to identify reliable sources, since they are well-known institutions. Also, search for peer reviews online. A peer review, typically academic in nature, are shared amongst professionals in most fields. They are fact-based, written by individuals trying to conduct some kind of research. They themselves typically have resources cited in the article. You do not have to use all these tips for every assignment, but it can be helpful to keep them in mind while researching. The last topic that we are going to be covering is on referencing. The type of assignment you're working on will determine the reference that you use. Typically for essays or research papers, you'll have to create a works cited page. The assignment you're working on will state how to format your works cited. For general assignments such as online content or journal activities, a type of in-text citation will be fine. Most sources at Hope High School Online will be web related. When you cite a source, it can be as simple as a web link at the end of the citation. What's most important is to identify the type of assignment you're working on and reference your sources appropriately. Thank you and good night.